If you're anything like me, you're looking to spend as much time in your backyard this summer as possible. But without a place to sit and work at, that's going to be a challenge. Luckily for you, I have a unique and versatile outdoor summer project. A convertible bench that turns into a table. And the best part is, if you build two and join them together, you have a picnic table in your backyard. Let me walk you through the steps. Here's how. Start by determining the measurements of your convertible bench table and cut your material. Cut pieces for the front and back legs and the support pieces. The back legs will require a radius cut at the top end. Drill a hole in each back leg to receive the carriage bolt. Start assembling one side with a front and back leg and two support pieces. Create another side. Connect the two sides with the support from the center of the bottom side to the center of the other. Rip down 2x6 boards into 3.5 and 2-inch slats. Ripping refers to cutting the wood along the grain for a lengthwise cut. Alternate the boards and attach them to the top supports for the seat of the bench. The slats should overhang 4 inches on either side. Measure the distance from the inside of each back leg. Mark this measurement on the boards. Lay out slats the same way to create the back of the bench. Cut 3 support pieces to connect the slats. Drill a carriage bolt hole into 2 of the pieces. Position these 2 pieces on their edge and attach on the line. Attach the third support piece flat in the middle of the 2. Now attach the assembled back to the back legs. Align the holes and secure with the carriage bolt. Measure, cut, and secure a support piece from the bottom of the bench to the back piece as a stop. And there you have it, a gorgeous outdoor bench to enjoy your backyard. You'll want to brush on an exterior sealant just to keep the wood from weathering too much. And turning it into a table is easy. You just flip, and you lock, and you're set. It's a great place to have a couple drinks or even get some work done. We're not finished yet. To ensure a stable top when putting 2 tables together, attach a rotating cleat to the back of the bench. Use a leftover 2-inch slat cut to a 16-inch length. Cut 2 more pieces at 7.5-inch lengths. Attach 1 piece to the side support, sandwiching the cleat in between. Attach the other piece parallel to the bench slats for the cleat to sit on when not in use. Now, with the second bench already assembled, convert both to table position and bring them together. Align and swing the cleats under the tabletops. After adding your finishing touches, you're ready to host your next backyard get-together. I'll see you next time.